Hey guys, today's video is a little different. We're going to not be traveling today. We are tomorrow, but today we're going to go look at travel trailers so that we can maybe go do some haunted road trips in the future. And it's Barney's birthday, so we're going to celebrate his birthday and just see what we can do today. Okay? I can't see, I'm blind. But let's go take a trip to the little town of American Fork, Utah.
Adam's cool and he's hip. He'll take you on a trip, the paranormal Polynesian. Whether spooky or fun, or a tale he has spun, the paranormal Polynesian. Neon lights or abandoned sites, we'll find our way all around the world. Adam likes to twirl,
come what may.
And when the fun is through, here's what you can do.
Play one more episode. He has hundreds.
Travel fun for everyone, travel fun for everyone. The paranormal Polynesian. Adam's cool and he's hip, taking you on a trip. The paranormal Polynesian.
Oh no, where you're right.
The spooky or fun, or a tale he has spun. The paranormal Polynesian.
It's your special day. Open your presents.
Special day.
Let's see what you got.
Big one or little one to start?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, let's start with the little one. It's my birthday. Well, there's a little card I'll read in a minute. Whatever it says, five pack. 5-pack?
Yeah.
What is this?
That's,
2 power banks to keep me powered up.
Yeah, well,
Thank
you
you.
need it because it goes with your other present.
Oh, because I have other presents. Jerky, is this for road trips?
I guess. Okay, that's
Are you
it.
taking me somewhere with no power?
Yeah.
Are you? What is this?
Don't get her. She's just a baby.
You're a gift. Is this a sewing machine? Oh, what, a suitcase?
Oh no, but
Oh.
it's a special suitcase. It's the one you wanted.
What do you mean it's the one I wanted? Did I want a suitcase?
Well, you were looking at it.
Was I? Did you take advantage of Amazon Prime Day?
No,
Huh? No.
this was before Amazon Prime Day. I forgot. Although I should do that from now on.
Should always remember it's my birthday.
Yeah, very convenient. This was the only color they had because I figured it would go good with your school. But it was either that or pink. And I don't think you'd look good with pink.
Cute.
And it has your front for your
Does it have
laptop.
my fat laptop front?
And it has a charger port for your phone. So you won't run out of battery power on your phone because your phone's always dead. They can never reach you when you're in other countries.
Wow. Oh, I think I like this.
It's a very sexual green.
It is a sexual green.
And then this just pops open.
It's hard-sided. I like that. It rolls in 4s. I like that.
Probably instructions in there.
Cute.
Put this little one in there. Then you put your cord in here. And then you charge your phone from here. Where is it?
Yeah.
Where is it? Yeah.
Yeah. Cute.
Then when you're in TSA, you put your laptop in that one and all your special documents in the front. Then you don't have to mess around.
I like it when I don't have to mess around.
So how'd you do it?
Just
That's what I said.
slider, maybe right there. I like that. This is perfect.
I know.
Now I don't have to even carry a backpack.
Why?
Just one bag.
No more JanSport?
Nope.
Okay, happy birthday.
Thank you. I like it a lot.
I actually like that shade of green. Maybe I get one too for my birthday.
You have a lot of suitcases.
No.
I'm a gal on the go.
Go. Take Stormy with you.
Bye.
Stop! Okay, we're here in at Bish's RV in American Fork, and we're looking at trailers. This is our first one we like. Let's take a look. This is called a Go Play. I love this outdoor kitchen. Okay, well maybe it's not a kitchen, it's a pantry with a fridge. This is nice to have. Nice big awning. That's good. And we're looking for something that's under 5,000 pounds. So how much does this one weigh? 4,200. That's very light. This has a Murphy bed, which Barney hates, but I think it's cute. Look how big the sink is. It's huge, just as big as ours at home almost. A little baby 2-burner cooktop. Counter space when you're not using it. Microwave. No oven, but that's okay, I guess. Look how big this fridge and freezer is. It's a good amount. The bunks, these hold 300 pounds, I believe. So I could even fit in them. They have like little windows for each one. Love this pump out. And look at this dinette. This would make a nice big bed for another person. So this will sleep at least 5 or 6 comfortably. Let's check out the bathroom. I like the toilet at this angle because there's room for my fat ass. This will hold. I'm like 6 feet, so there'll be room. I have plenty of room in here. I wish there was more cabinet space or a medicine cabinet, but that's okay. This is a very nice. This is no fuss, no muss trailer for camping. Great. So there's just one central air conditioning. It's not ducted, but it's small enough. You don't really need it, I don't think. There's a hookup for a TV. Charging ports for your phone. Nice cabinets here. Good cabinet space. And with the slide in, you should still be able to get into the bathroom and use the bed. So that's good. That's important. It's a good one. Okay, this is the second option. It's the same exact size. There's just no pop out, slide out. Look at that price though. And here they're having an anniversary sale. They're giving free propane for life and a 5-year extended warranty on any new purchase. So let's see what this same trailer that we just looked at would be without a slide out and a normal bed that's just permanently a bed. So this is a Camp Queen. But Barney and I both fit in it just fine. So that's good. Hookup for the TV. It's a little bit of a smaller dinette. There's no slide out, so it is smaller in here, but it doesn't feel small, you know. This seems to have like more cabinets. I like these because you can take out the shelf, hang clothes if you need to go to the Grammys at night. I like this panel here. Again, this fridge and freezer, this is huge. It's a huge fridge. And this opens from both sides. I don't know, in case you're on the toilet and you need to get in the fridge. Smaller bunks. That's the only thing I don't love, because my niece is an adult almost, and I don't know how well she'd fit in there, but this does make into a bed too. The other difference here, there's no sink in the bathroom, but because of that, you have much more room here by the toilet, ma'am, and a nice shower with a tub. There's looking back. I mean, for camping, this is all you need. I mean, it's more, but it's nice. We like not having a slide out. I mean, Barney doesn't want one. I don't mind it, but it's easy when I'm just like, if I was to travel alone, this is an easy small trailer to take by myself. I don't want anything too long. And this is only 3,600 pounds dry, which is amazing. Let's see. That looks like it's 30 feet though. How long is that? This is...
Good job. Good
6,000 pounds. Too heavy. We gotta stay under like 4,800. So that one would work. And this is Asdale siding, much more insulating. Nice window. Like, this is way upgraded. I mean, it is 10,000 more than the other. It's got twins.
Is this the twin bedroom we just sold?
This has the max. Oh, this is 49, which is, wow, it's huge in here. Look at this.
Oh, this is the one you were looking at online.
Look how nice this is. This is huge. Okay, well, this is just about 100 pounds too heavy, but wow, look at the difference. Also, it smells like weed in here. So I'm not sure what's been going on, but I like this.
That one and see how that fits you. Keep looking at those.
Let's see if I can fit in here. Oh, yeah. I mean, it's a little tight, but
Can you scrub your feet?
Can you see my
Can you reach your
nipples?
feet?
I'll have to open this.
Let me see.
I'm so petite. This is nice. Look at this.
Nice.
Look at the difference in the quality too. You can just tell. Love the light colors. Those twins are nice big twins.
No.
Both of us could fit on there nicely. TV hookup. I don't know if this got a 3-burner stove. It's got so much more than the others, but like I said, and a real oven. But it's 10,000 more. Wow, that's nice. There's also a spot here to hook up your outdoor grill, which is great. The ladder's built in, which doesn't happen normally anymore. It's usually an upcharge, so that's good. Love these tinted windows. It's going to keep it cool. Yep, I think this is the one. I love it. Wait, where are you going? Okay, let's check this one out then. The Go Play. This seems like a nice median between the cheapo and the nicer one. Oh, I like this. This is nice. There's no bunks, so there's plenty of space here for this jackknife sofa to be turned into a bed. Very nice. I like that the tables are not connected to the trailer, so you can take that outside if you need. You could put a dance in here, like a dance party. Wow. This also has a real oven, Barney, and it has 3 burners instead of 2. And a microwave. This feels so spacious, don't you think? And I like when the bed's this direction. And it's by the AC.
Well,
This is nice. This is better than the bunk bed ones, don't you think?
yeah.
And it's cheaper. Oh, look at that. That's a big shower. Oh, yeah, we're doing a movie. Come on now. Look. I'm cleaning myself. This has got more room than the other one. Do you love it? Except it's see-through, so you're going to see my nipples. And when the slide's in, it's still got plenty of room. So I like this fridge. It has the dual opening, whatever the hell you call it. So if you're outside, you can open it that way. If you're in here, you open it from this direction. I love that. A privacy curtain. So this is like $23,000, so still a very budget trailer price. Doesn't this feel huge in here?
Yeah.
And then the TV can go here so you can watch it in bed, or here. It's sold for me. $23,900. This is a single axle. Ow. Fuck. Smells like melted Play-Doh in here. I kind of like it. Yum. I don't like the single axle though. It's scary. Is this really too big? Look, we watch this guy on YouTube all the time. He's a delight. He's got his own, like, advertising. He's so fancy. I love that for him. It's Josh, the RV nerd. If you're ever looking for trailers, listen, if you're ever looking to buy a trailer, go to Josh, the RV nerd on YouTube. He's so informative, and he does not sugarcoat. He's great. I love it. This doesn't have a price on it. Is that because it's too expensive?
Yes. Those are very,
Mama can't afford it.
very
So I don't know, you guys. Which one did you like the most? 1, 2, or 3? Don't 1, 2, 3, or 4, right? This one, I think is too big for us, but I love it. So it's between the Go Plays, not to be confused with Yo Play. That's a yogurt. $23,995. It's got kind of a small awning, but that's okay. There's backup camera ready, ladder ready. You have to pay for a ladder, but that's fine. Okay, we're inside. We're inside. We got in. Now we're gonna walk over here. Look at this.
Oh, were you working with Lance?
You can buy all kinds of things for your trailer here. I know that my eye's on this little guy. I haven't had one of those in a while. What a delight. Anywho, come on down here to Bish's RV. If you're in the market for an RV, they're great. No haggle, no hassle, knowledgeable, delightful, okay? Now we're gonna go eat.
Grooving under stars in quirky little bars. It's a show.
A show.
From coastlines to the peaks, every story speaks. Let it flow.
Let it flow.
Feel that rhythm, feel it deep as he dives into the unknown.
Adam's groove will make you move. You'll never feel alone. Adam's cool and he's hip. He'll take you on a trip. The paranormal Polynesian. Whether spooky or fun, or a tale he has spun. The paranormal Polynesian. Neon lights or abandoned sites. We'll find our way all around the world. Adam likes to twirl.
Come what may.
What may? And when the fun is through, here's what you can do.
Play one more episode. He has hundreds.